Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about soil mechanics, one of the core subjects in civil engineering branch. Exactly, if you didn't define soil mechanics, I think it's the science which deals with the application of principles of hydraulics and mechanics on the soil on which the construction has to take place. So, this is not as simple as I have said it. Soil has got a vast meaning. It's got a vast applications. Soil can be defined in various ways. Like there can be the soil which is the crust of this whole planet. The soil can be the layer of rock on which the plants grow. The soil can be the layer of rock which supports the buildings and construction. So when we deal in civil engineering, we deal with the soil which supports the construction, which supports the foundation of the buildings. So that's what we are dealing with when we are dealing with soil mechanics. The father of soil mechanics is Carl Terzaghi. His birthday was yesterday, 2nd of October. So father of soil mechanics was Carl Terzaghi, and he discovered a lot of methods, a lot of tests he did on which he was successful in performing various types of tests on soil, which proved that they were used to determine the index and engineering properties of soil. So soil has got a vast meaning. Soil is not limited to a very small meaning like the layer of rock on which the construction takes place. It's not soil. Soil has got a vast meaning. Soil has got engineering properties, soil has got index properties, soil has got particle size distribution, soil has got a very different amount of you can say tests that has been performed on soil. So what are the engineering properties of soil? Engineering properties can be shear strength, compressibility, permeability, and etc. There are a lot of other engineering properties, but at this point I can remember three. That is shear strength, permeability, and compressibility. So these three engineering properties, why are they called engineering properties? They are called engineering properties because they are based on the qualitative analysis of soil. Now, if we go on to the index properties, what is index properties? Index properties are those properties which define the quantitative analysis of soil. So they can be water content, particle size distribution, specific gravity, and they can be many more. Water content, particle size distribution, specific gravity, and many more. Like let me remember. Yeah, thixotropy, activity, and sensitivity, and plasticity, liquidity. These all are index properties of soil. So soil has got a vast meaning. Now let me discuss about the process of formation of soil. How soil is formed. So very different and very difficult thing to understand. How soil is formed. Well, soil is formed when the rocks feather, and the feathered soil is transported to somewhere else, and that is uplifted, and the soil layer has been formed. To simplify it, we have got 4 steps. One is erosion of soil. After that, not erosion. One is weathering of soil, weathering of rocks. After weathering, then there is erosion. After erosion, then there is transportation. After transportation, then there is deposition. And after deposition, there is upheaval. So this is the process by which soil has been made. So there are different types of soils that are found in nature. Firstly, we can define alluvial soil. What is alluvial soil? Alluvial soil is a soil that is found in fresh water. So what is fresh water? A water which does not contain any salts or impurities is known as fresh water. Now, there is lacustrine soil. Lacustrine soil is a soil which is found near the lakes. I have to repeat whatever I said, that alluvial soil is found in running water. Obviously fresh water, but running water. Lacustrine soil is found near lakes, and marine soil is found in marine water or seawater. And laterite soil. Laterite soil is found is a bentonite soil. Laterite soil is a bentonite soil which is found due to the siliceous washing out of siliceous compounds from the soil, and then there is laterite soil is found. So there are different types of soil that we encounter in day-to-day life. I've discussed few, and I think if you go through the whole soil mechanics, you will find that these engineering and index properties have been dealt in detail in different chapters. Also, the flow net diagrams and the seepage analysis and earth pressure theories, and you can say, effective stress, pore water pressure, effective stress, and all these have been discussed in the whole of the soil mechanics. We are going to cover those topics very soon. Very soon we are going to cover those topics. Stability of slopes is one of them. Then there is foundation engineering, which is a different subject altogether, but they have been combined and they've been called as geotechnical engineering. Soil mechanics and foundation engineering are combined and they are called as geotechnical engineering. So we are going to discuss about soil mechanics very soon in our later sections, in our later videos. So till then, it's a goodbye. Thank you.